Hi, I'm Sel, and I will be discussing the DFs for Module 13, Radio Performance. In this module, I will be discussing the different types of radio performances, and I will also be answering whether these radio performances are still relevant given the current trend of radio broadcasting. Let me cite the types of radio performance and their functions or roles. First would be hosting or disc jockey, the one that introduces, discusses, and plays popular music recordings. DJs may also conduct occasional interviews, announce station breaks, and deliver public service announcements. Second would be newscasting slash newscaster, the one that prepares, edits, and delivers news during radio broadcast. Accuracy and clarity are critical for this role. Next would be sports commentary or commentator. Provides live running commentaries or accounts of sports events, describing the action as it unfolds. Next would be narrator or reporter, the one that offers descriptive presentations of actual events such as parades, accidents, or fires. The focus is on providing vivid and engaging accounts. Next would be program hosting or host, the one that facilitates a radio program by planning, gathering materials, writing scripts, and producing content, and delivering information or messages. Next would be commentary or commentator, the one that analyzes the news, relates it to past or future events, and discusses its significance. Next would be moderator, the one that guides panel discussions, introduces subjects and participants, asks relevant questions, and clarifies viewpoints. Next would be voice talent slash actor, the one that takes specific roles and delivers dialogues in radio productions such as dramas and advertisements. Remember that each type of radio performance plays a unique role in delivering content to listeners, whether it's entertaining through music, informing through news, or engaging through interviews and discussions. Performers must master their craft to effectively connect their audience by honoring or honing their voice quality, delivery, and subject knowledge. They can create impactful and memorable broadcasts. For the second questions or discussion, with the current trend of radio broadcasting and internet radio, do you think these types of radio performances are still relevant? Why or why not? The answer is yes. These types of radio performances remain highly relevant in the era of internet radio, with some adaptations to fit the evolving landscape of digital broadcasting. Here's a detailed explanation of why this roles are still significant and how they have adapted to the current trends. Here's a detailed explanation. Why these roles are still significant and how they have adapted to the current trends. For the disc jockey, DJs continue to play a vital role in internet radio, especially for music focused stations and streaming platforms. Their ability to curate playlists, share music trivia, and engage listeners remains essential. DJs now interact with listeners through social media live chats and comments on streaming platforms. They often create personalized playlists for on demand listening and catering to niche audiences. DJs provide human touch to music curation, which algorithms alone cannot replicate. Next, newscaster. Internet radio stations often include news segments and making newscasters indispensable for delivering timely and accurate information. Newscasters now integrate multimedia elements such as links to articles, videos, and infographics to complement their broadcasts. They may also host podcasts or live streams, discussions, news in greater depth. The demand for credible and engaging news delivery remains high, especially in fast-paced digital world. Next, sports commentator. Sports commentators are still crucial to or for live coverage of games and events, which internet radio can broadcast globally. Commentators now engage with listeners through real time social media updates and interactive polls during broadcast. They may also host post game analysis podcast or video streams. Sports fans value real time commentary and expert analysis, which internet radio can provide without geographical limitations. Narrator/reporter. Narrators and reporters remain essential for covering live events such as parades, protests, or festivals, which internet radio can stream to a global audience. Reporters now use mobile devices to broadcast live the field, integrating video and social media updates. They may also create multimedia rich reports for on demand consumption. The ability to provide vivid real time descriptions of events is irreplaceable even in the digital age. Next, program host. Program hosts are central to internet radio as they guide listeners through various segments and maintains engagement. Hosts now interact with audiences through live chats, social media, and interactive features like polls and Q&A sessions. They often repurpose their programs as podcast or on demand listening. Hosts create a sense of connection and community, which is crucial for building loyal audiences. Next, commentator. Commentators remain important for analyzing news, trends, and events, providing depth and context to internet radio podcast. They now use digital platforms to share supplementary content such as blog posts or video commentaries. Commentators often engage in live debates or discussions with listeners via online platforms. Audiences still seek expert opinions and insights to understand complex issues. Moderator. Moderators are essential for facilitating discussions and debates, which are popular formats on internet radio and podcast. Moderators now use video conferencing tools to host virtual panels, allowing participants from different locations to join. They may also moderate discussions on social media platforms during live broadcast. Moderators ensure balanced and productive discussions, which are key to engaging audiences in meaningful conversations. Next, voice talent slash actor. Voice talents and actors are still in demand for internet radio dramas, advertisements, and storytelling segments. Voice actors now work remotely, recording their parts from home studios and collaborating online. They may also lend their voices to audiobooks, podcasts, and other digital media. The art of storytelling and character portrayal remains timeless, and voice actors bring these elements to life. To conclude, despite technological advancements, audiences still crave the human touch that these roles provide. The personality, emotion, and relatability of radio performers cannot be replaced by automation or algorithms. These roles have evolved to incorporate digital tools and platforms, making them compatible with internet radio and other modern broadcasting methods. Internet radio thrives on interactivity, and these roles are well suited to fostering real time connections with listeners. The diverse skills of radio performers are essential for creating high quality engaging content that stands out in crowded digital space. The types of radio performances discussed in the document are still highly relevant in the internet radio era. While the medium has evolved, the core functions of these roles, entertaining, informing, and engaging audiences, remain uncharged. By adapting to new technologies and leveraging digital tools, radio performers can continue to play a crucial role in the success of internet radio broadcasting. Thank you.